Mr. Heater offers the latest evolution in portable heating with the portable Little Buddy propane heater. Use it in garages, tents, workshops, cabins, porches, patios, or hunting blinds to heat up to 95 square, featuring equipped with a low oxygen shutoff pilot system and accidental tip-over shutoff for indoor safety and one heat setting of 3,800 BTU per hour, allowing you to control comfort level. Accidental tip-over safety shutoff. Lightweight, easy to carry. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Indoor safe portable propane heater for rooms up to 95 square feet. This unit is not intended for golf cart use or for motorized vehicles. Number 2. Continuous odor-free, 45-degree heating angle. Maximum elevation, FT, 7,000 feet. Automatic low oxygen shut-off system, ODS. Perfect solution for heating small enclosed spaces like tents up to 95 square feet. Number 3. Simple on-off buttons. Uses 1-pound disposable propane cylinder, not included. Run time at minimum BTU and maximum BTU is 5.6 hours. Do not operate heater in any moving vehicle. This heater requires a vent area of 4 square inches minimum for adequate ventilation during operation. Number 4. Low oxygen sensor and accidental tip-over switch with auto shutoff for safety. The use of unauthorized accessories, attachments with this heater are expressly prohibited, may cause serious injury, and will void the warranty. Number 5. Recommended for emergency heat, tents, campers, workshops, job sites, porches, patios, decks, garages, storage buildings, picnics, tailgate parties, construction trailers, sporting events, barns, sheds, hunting blinds, shelters, and ice fishing shanties. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.